I be here with basketball superstar Thomas Jefferson. Respect.
Richard Jefferson.
For real, but you got into the NBA because he was the president's son, innit?
No. You're thinking of Thomas Jefferson.
Him just made one phone call in that White House. What's it called?
The White House.
Get me son in the NBA. No, he can't play. No. Get him in there or off with your head. Dude, that's it. Phone call over. Science. What is it all about? Technology. What is that all about? Is it good or is it whack? There's a bloke from round my hood, Staines, called Rainbow Jeremy, who reject everything to do with science. He just chill at home, he smoke his own homegrown, and check this, he don't have a telly. I ain't shitting you, he don't have a telly.
Yeah, he lives in a house, though.
And
that house is a product of technology.
No, he ain't got no technology in it. You can check out his website. He ain't got nothing in it.
It's
got a website.
The
He
house
wears clothes,
itself.
shoes.
What?
He eats food.
Yo, boom, boom, shake the mofo room. I is here with the main man of medicine, his name BC Everett Coop. So all you lot out there need to listen up, because you is as likely to be killed by an illness as you is by a drive-by. So let's talk about the human body, because after all, everyone has got one of them. So we is meant to believe. How important is the heart?
The heart is the pump that makes the blood take all the things that you need nutritionally to all parts of your body.
Why is the actual heartbeat so old-fashioned? You know, boom, 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 boom.
That's a built-in mechanism in the heart that is, it's electrical.
But surely, like, my homies out there would be more into looking after their heart if they had a beat that they could relate to, like a kind of drum and bass, you know. Then they would look after it and go, yo, this is me heart, respect it. Check it, I is in South Central LA to meet ex-gang member Alejandro Alonso to talk about guns and tin. Check it. It is to do with colours here as well, is that right?
Well, colors is sort of the division between Bloods and Crips, and the color aspect has really been highlighted through the media.
What would happen if your mum did a wash and you put in your pants in there or whatever, and she put in one of her red sweaters and all your clothes come out red, even though you was in the blues? What would you do then? Check it out, I is here with none other than my main man, Buzz Aldrin. I know this is a sensitive question, but what was it like not being the first man on the moon? Was you ever jealous of Louis Armstrong?
It was Neil Armstrong, and no, I was not jealous. He was a very, very qualified person. Yeah.
Do you think man will ever walk on the sun?
No. The sun is too hot. It is not a good place to go to.
What happens if they went in winter when the sun is cold?
The sun is not cold in the winter.
As computers made our lives better.
I don't think there's any question about it.
Will computers ever be able to work out what 9999